When working with systems of linear equations, there are three different ways you can try to solve them. We've already spent some time looking at the first, and that is to graph the two and look for the point where the two lines cross, and that's your solution, an x and a y value. The second method we're going to discuss today is substitution. The idea of substitution is not new. The idea is you replace one thing with another. In this case, we see our two equations, y equals negative 3x minus 6, and y equals x plus 2. When you have two equations and two unknown variables, you have to somehow combine them if you're going to solve by hand. And the best way to do that, I'll take the second one, which y is x plus 2, and substitute this information, which is y, into the first equation. So instead of y, I'm going to write x plus 2. And then the rest of the equation equals negative 3x plus minus 6. So I combine both equations using substitution. And now that I'm here, you can see I have one equation with one variable. We definitely have the solving skills to finish this problem. So I'm going to get my x's together by adding 3x to both sides. 3x plus 1x is 4x plus 2 equals 3x minus 3x. That's gone. That's 0. There's nothing left there. Minus 6. Get rid of the constant. Add 2. Oh, that was a plus. So go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides. 4x equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 4. That's how you undo your multiplication. X is negative 2. So the x value that works on both equations is negative 2. Now remember, the solution is the point where the two lines cross, so this works on both of them. I can plug this into any of my two equations and it will give me the correct y value. I have no preference which one to use. The bottom one looks a little smaller. There's no coefficient for that x, so we'll just plug into there. That second equation, we had y equals, instead of x, we're going to write negative 2. Plus 2 is the rest of the equation gives us. And negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So when I combine these, it gives me a coordinate. Negative 2 is x, 0 is y. This is the solution to the system. X value of negative 2, y value of 0. If I were to graph these two lines, they would intersect, they would cross at that coordinate, negative 2 and 0.